So you really want to make money online. You're looking for a side hustle, a side gig to get you away from the 9 to 5. Maybe you want to support your family. Maybe you want to be with your kids a little more on the weekends. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn potential $30 an hour all the way up to $150 an hour, even more, by simply taking a free online course, getting a certification, and applying for jobs on the web. Hey guys, my name is Mark. Welcome to 𝗟𝗡𝗡𝗖𝗜𝗔𝗟, and on this channel, we try to give you side hustles, proven, vetted side hustles that will give you income, a side income that you can depend on. These are usually all tested and proven, if not by myself, by trusted friends of mine. So if at the end of this video you do find value, please make sure you go ahead and punch that like button right in the face, tap on that subscribe button, and then share this video with other friends so that they can earn some money too. Come on, let's jump right into the video. In the last couple years, being an SEO expert has become a very lucrative job, and just about anybody can do it. It does take a little bit of skill and it takes some know-how, but these are all things that you can learn online for free. Forget paying $1,000 or $2,000 for online courses from these big gurus that just want to sell you recycled information. Most of them are already getting the free information from the website and then just regurgitating it into some type of membership course or membership training platform. Now, I'm not saying they're all bad, but there's a lot of gurus out there that just want to make a quick buck. As you know, Google is the largest search engine on the internet. A lot of you may not know that Google also hosts a plethora of free courses, and they actually want to teach you for free how to use their system, which is a brilliant idea, because if they teach you for free, that means you're probably going to come back and spend money on ads or different services that they provide. Now, there's two websites I want to show you in this video. The first website is called Google Digital Garage, and Google Digital Garage has a bunch of online courses, certifications, webinar, and teaches you or gives you resources on remote working. You can access this website by going to learndigital.withgoogle.com. And if you click on online courses, you'll see over 136 courses that you can choose from. Most of these, if not all of them, give you some type of certification at the end once you take a final exam. So once you're on this page, you can scroll down and you can find the course, Search Engine Optimization Fundamentals. Now, this course is not directly sponsored by Google. It actually gives you a link to a third-party website. And if you go ahead and click Visit Coursera, it takes you to Coursera's website, which usually you have to pay to take this course, but they're giving it away absolutely free right now. It looks like 55,000 people have already enrolled, so you know it's a pretty good course. And it gives you the fundamentals of search engine optimization. If we go here and look at the syllabus, getting started, intro to on-page SEO, introduction to off-page SEO, introduction to technical SEO, which has to do with creating sitemaps and robo.txt files, and a whole bunch of other things that you'll learn inside that module. Now, after you're done completing this course, it looks like they also give you a shareable certificate, which you can put on your resume and show potential clients that you're reaching out to that you do know what you're talking about. It's 100% online, 100% flexible, no deadlines, so you can work at your own pace. So that's Google Search Engine Optimization. If you go and look for work on, say, Upwork, and you type in Google SEO or Search Engine Optimization, you'll find people making $90 an hour, $70 an hour, $30 an hour. This guy right here is making $145 an hour. It looks like he's already earned over $100,000 per year on Upwork, providing his freelance SEO services to clients. It's good to at least know the basics so you can start the conversation with these potential clients, and then you can potentially be the middleman. You go and reach out to a freelancer to do SEO on your behalf. The client never has to deal with that person that you're outsourcing the work to. They can deal directly with you, and you funnel the information to the outsource freelancer. You can do that at Upwork, freelancer.com. You can also go over to Fiverr, and you can type into the search box SEO, and you'll see many people providing their services for $300 an hour, $250 an hour, even starting at $50 an hour. You're going to want to get into a conversation with them, have a chat with them, see if they actually know what they're doing, look at their reviews, make sure they're a good fit, and then start business. The second website I want to bring to your focus is called Google Skillshop, and you can find that website at skillshop.withgoogle.com. One of the other ways you can make money through free Google certification is by going to skillshop.withgoogle.com. You can become Google Ads certified, Google Marketing Platform certified, Analytics certified, Google My Business, and Waze. If you jump into Google Ads, that's probably the easiest one to get certified for. Go ahead and click on that, and you can basically start the course. Then you can do what you did before with the Google Search Optimization certification. You can go to freelancer.com. You can apply as a freelancer, and then you could submit proposals to people who are looking to hire a professional. You can also post different gigs on places like Fiverr and Upwork as well. Again, when you have a certification, it makes you look like an authority on that particular subject. And when you are a subject matter specialist and you're an expert in that field, people are more likely to trust you with their jobs and with their projects that they need help with. Again, you can make anywhere from $30 all the way to $150 an hour or more. You can even sign long-term contracts and have a monthly retainer with certain clients as well. It could be a very lucrative opportunity for a lot of people out there that have the free time to actually go through the course. The only downside is you're still trading time for money. So rather than having a job where you go into an office, you have a job where you have to deal with clients all day. And although you think you're your own boss, you're actually still sort of like an employee to these clients that hire you. There are a few other alternatives if you're not looking to get locked down to another type of employee boss situation. One of the things that I recommend and that I have been doing for the last year is something called affiliate marketing. I joined the Legendary Marketers Club and I went through a 15-day business builder challenge, and they were able to teach me everything I needed to know in order to start an online business that could generate passive income. Now, all month long in the month of July, I've been getting commissions coming into my email inbox on a regular basis. Now, these commissions keep coming in for a little bit of work that I did in the very beginning, setting up a landing page and generating some traffic to that landing page or that link. Now, affiliate marketing is basically taking somebody else's product, somebody else's service, somebody else's digital course, and placing it in front of people that are already looking for that solution to their problem. You're just basically the connector. You're the middleman. Now, affiliate marketing, in my personal opinion, is the best and least stressful way to get involved and to start earning passive, reoccurring income. You do a little bit of work up front, and then you just maintain it and manage it along the way. You don't really have to deal with any clients. You don't have to deal with any inventory. You don't have to deal with any returns. You're just simply the middleman. You're the connector. You can get commissions anywhere from $10 all the way up to $2,000. Now, if you want a little more information about the Legendary Marketing training that I went through, there is a link down in the description. It's only $7 to get in, and it gives you a 15-day business builder challenge plus about $2,500 in other bonuses that are absolutely free. I strongly recommend you go ahead and check out the link. Go ahead and click on the link, leave your email, watch a short video, and then decide whether you want to get involved in affiliate marketing. It's been the best decision that I personally have ever made. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you gained some insight on how you could increase your knowledge and become a subject matter expert, and I hope you make a lot of money. If you wouldn't mind smashing the like button, subscribe, dropping a comment down below, and sharing this video with a friend, I would be greatly appreciated. We'll see you guys in the next video.